Good day, everyone. This is Craig Mendoza, one of the financial trainers of International Marketing Group, or IMG. Today, we're going to talk about what is Kaiser Long Term Healthcare and its importance in building our solid financial foundation. And on the screen is, of course, none other than Miss Sharon Cuneta, the Kaiser Health Group ambassadress. So who is Kaiser Health Group? We are duly accredited with the Department of Health, and our company is likewise registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission on June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital of 160 million pesos. And Kaiser's board of directors are seasoned experts in the medical field services and in the healthcare industry, with its president and medical director, Dr. Leia Oyolo, a seasoned HMO executive and a prominent doctor. Kaiser Health Group, as an HMO company, caters to both corporate, group, family, and individual accounts with our various short-term plan packages that would suit your healthcare requirements, like healthcare for individual, for family, mini group for 10 to 49 members, and a group for 50 to 99 members, and for corporate for 100 members and above, and we also have a senior care. Kaiser is also offering a one-of-a-kind HMO product, which is the Premium Healthcare Builder Plan or a long-term care plan. And we call it the Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. And today, this is going to be our topic. So, Ultimate Kaiser Health Builder is a 7-year paying and 30-year waiting plan. It is designed to provide healthcare beyond that of an HMO. Kasi karamihan sa mga HMO, short-term HMO, until 60 years old lang po. Beyond 60 years old, madaming HMO, short-term HMO, hindi na covered, di ba? And this allows individuals to save during employment while still being covered by company's health plan. This is also geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after employment and retirement years, securing a more comfortable elderly life. Diba? Karamihan sa mga sakit ay lumalabas during retirement years natin, diba? And mostly, after retirement, wala ng healthcare, and a lot of people retire na dependent sa yung PhilHealth lang, di ba? Of course, this helps, but definitely kukulangin. Now, I am going to show to you a picture of a complete financial plan. Two things lang po, ano? Ask yourself this question. What if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? And what if I live too long? Who will take care of me? If we die too soon, our solution is life insurance because this is instant money. If we live too long, our solution is investment and long-term health care, so that we have money working for us. So basically, there are three major financial needs to complete our financial picture. Number one, investment to generate continuing income for you when you retire. Number two, life insurance to protect your family if you die too soon. And number three, to provide you healthcare when you retire or you stop working. And you know what? This is what Kaiser exactly is. Kaiser provides total solution to your healthcare, investment, and insurance needs. This is a 3-in-1 investment. Okay? All right. So, tingnan natin how it works. So, 7 years, kanina I mentioned na it's 7 years paying period and 30 years waiting. Okay? So, meaning magmamature po siya on the 20th year. Okay? So, let's start with the accumulation or the saving period. So, this is the first 7 years. So, these are the immediate medical benefits within the first 7 years. Number one, annual physical exam. So this should be administered by an accredited clinic, okay? So sa APE po natin, we can avail the basic 5. So makikita po natin sa screen ano-ano po yung mga coverage. Number 2 is dental benefits, like unlimited dental checkups, simple tooth extraction, dental cleaning, and etc. Also, basic health benefits like mga physician's fee, specialist fee, surgeon's fee, basta accredited lang po. Also, for the operating room, hospital intensive care, mga ganyan. But take note that the above provisions 1, 2, and 3 can be availed only after full payment of the first year of total premium. Okay? Number 4, during the first to 7 years, members' choice of room and board up to 1,000 per day, yearly medical benefit limit of 60,000 per year after full payment of the first year of the total premium. Okay? Take notes po sa mga provisions. Number 6 is term life insurance coverage. If the member dies before attaining the age of 75 years, and prior to this entitlement to the long-term care benefit value as indicated in the schedule of benefit, his beneficiary shall be entitled to an equal amount to the sum of long-term care benefit value and long-term care experience incentive hospital benefit limit upon approval of the claim by the insurance company. Also, number 7, accidental death and dismemberment. Should the member suffer directly and independently of all the causes, and any bodily injury affected solely through external, violent, and accident mean occurring prior to the member's 75th birthday and prior to the entitlement to the long-term care benefit, which result in any of the specified losses within 180 days after the accident causing the injury, the insurance company will pay the following. Remember pa, the dismemberment, loss of both hands, 100%, loss of both feet, 100%, loss of one hand and sight of one eye, 100%, loss of one foot and sight of one eye, 100%, and loss of both sight, 100%. Number 8 is waiver of membership fees due to death. If the member during accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 75, the proceeds of the credit life insurance shall be applied to the balance of this total membership fees upon approval of the claim by the insurance company, making the contract fully paid. Ang ganda, di ba? Mawi-waive po siya yung mga remaining years na hindi pa nababayaran. Also, waiver of the membership fees due to total and permanent disability. If the member becomes totally disabled during the accumulation period and before his 75th birthday, thereby preventing him from engaging in any occupation for compensation or profit, is so disabled for life, and such disability continues for at least 6 months, Kaiser shall waive the payment of each membership fee becoming due during period of disability. However, pending approval of the claim, membership fees should be paid as they fall due, subject to refund upon approval. Okay, nare-refund naman po. All claims under the above insurance coverage shall be subject to 2 years period as provided by law from date of issuance or reinstatement of this contract. If the member dies during the accumulation period, the principal beneficiary named herein shall be substituted as the new member, but no longer with insurance benefit and subject to the provisions on pre-existing illness. Ang ganda, di ba? Kasi nata-transfer po siya sa beneficiary. Okay? So yung beneficiary na ngayon, yung policy holder. Now, let's talk about the extended period, di ba? After paying, 7 years nagpe-pay, di ba? On the 8th year starts the waiting period. So we call this the extended health coverage period, okay? the 8th to 20th year. So, on the 20th year, nagmamature siya. Eto na ngayon, yung mga equivalent na equivalent cash value na ma-accumulate. First is the yearly healthcare hospital benefit limit. 10% of the long-term care benefit value earned starting from the end of the accumulation period and every year thereafter up to 20th year. So let's make this clear. On the 8th year, again, stop na magpay and the investment part will start. Okay? So sa first part, dito sa total accumulated unused yearly healthcare, so mag-start na pong mag-accumulate yung money natin. 10% of our total premium, mag-a-accumulate na siya every year. Second is the long-term care benefit value. This is guaranteed. Guaranteed health benefits as shown in the schedule of the benefits, which can be used at the end of the 20th year as part of the hospital benefit limit until fully utilized or can be converted into cash on the 20th year. So take note, pag mature po niya, say for example, this plan is K100 or this is the 100,000 plan. So meaning, yung long-term care benefit value niya is also 100. And this can be converted into cash on the 20th year. During maturity, mako-convert po siya into cash. Third is the long-term healthcare experience incentive hospital benefit limit. Approximately 85% of the total membership fees, which can be converted into cash or be part of the hospital benefit limit from the 20th year until fully utilized. Okay? So this is an incentive. Diba nga, if you can remember, merong hospitalization during the first 7 years, merong for hospitalization, right? If yung example is 60,000 every year, pag hindi po yun na-utilize, Kaiser will give us approximately 85% of the total membership fees as an incentive. Okay? Then fourth is the additional yearly healthcare hospital benefit. It is a benefit other than the YHCBL at the end of the accumulation period and every year thereafter up to the 20th contract year, provided the Kaiser investment earnings is higher than 6% per annum. Okay? This is an additional investment na part. So, for as long as yung earnings is higher than 6% per annum, so meron pong additional yearly healthcare hospital benefit. And then the total health benefits. At the end of the extended period, a member enjoys this benefit, which is the sum of all the benefits under the Kaiser Premium Health Builder. Okay? So for this plan, ito po yung example, yung K100, yung total health benefits niya is 816,168. Now, after maturity, meaning on the 20th year, okay, or exactly on the 21st year, yung total health benefits, merong 3 settlement options, okay? Kasi nag-mature na siya, so you now have the option. You are in control of your money already, okay? Option number 1, continue health benefits with term life insurance. Option number 2, just continue health benefits with yearly increment, annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned. And option number 3 is partial withdrawal of up to 50% of the total health benefits or full withdrawal of the total health benefits. Now let's explain one by one. Option number 1, continued health benefits with term life insurance. This option will give you the following benefits. Continued term life insurance up to age 80, equivalent at least 50% of the total health benefits, but not to exceed 2 million face amount. Okay, so take note ha, up to 80% if you choose option number 1, which you will continue the term life insurance. Yung insurance coverage natin ay until 80 years old. San ka pa, di ba? So, ang galing, di ba? Yung insurance na up to 80 years old. Then coverage on all pre-existing conditions up to the total health benefits. So lahat ng conditions, I mean all pre-existing illnesses covered na po. Annual physical exam through Kaiser Medical Center and or Kaiser designated accredited clinics, unlimited consultations with all branches of clinics of Kaiser Medical Center, and then access to over 500 hospitals, 800 clinics, and 10,000 doctors network of Kaiser, and dental benefits through our accredited dental service providers. Continued health benefits with the yearly increment depending on the prevailing market, but in no cases less than 3% per annum. So whatever the amount na natitira, ay continue po yan yung investment na part. So nag-a-accumulate po siya. Merong yearly increment. Now, if you choose option number 2, again, this is continued health benefits with yearly increment, annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned. Meaning, yung annual na interest, yun lang ang wini-withdraw. Diba? Annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned. Okay? So, gets lang po. Yung first, no withdrawal. Okay, continue lang. Ito naman is meron siyang annual. Okay? Annual na withdrawal. Now, this option will give you the following benefits. Annual withdrawal of the yearly increment earned from the total health benefits. Continued term life insurance coverage up to again age 80 to at least 25% of the total health benefits but not to exceed 1 million face amount. Coverage on all pre-existing conditions up to available health benefits balance, access to over 500 hospitals, 800 clinics, and 10,000 doctors network of Kaiser, dental benefits through accredited dental service providers, and annual physical examination through Kaiser Medical Clinic Incorporated or Kaiser designated clinics, and continued health benefits with yearly increment depending on the prevailing market, but in no case less than 3% per annum. Option number 3 is the withdrawal. Partial withdrawal of up to 50% of the total health benefits. Withdrawal of up to 50% of the total health benefits and continued to enjoy the following benefits without term insurance coverage. Kasi withdraw na natin yung 50%. Okay? So option number 3, wala na siyang term life insurance coverage, but withdraw natin yung 50% of the total health benefits. Now, these options entitles you to the following benefits. Coverage on all pre-existing conditions up to the available health benefits balance, unlimited consultations with all branches of clinics of Kaiser Medical Center, access to over 500 hospitals, 800 clinics, and 10,000 doctors network of Kaiser, dental benefits through our accredited dental service providers, and annual physical examination through Kaiser Medical Clinic or Kaiser designated clinics, designated accredited clinics. Now, continued health benefits with yearly increment depending on the prevailing market, but in no case lower than 3%. Again, for as long as kahit nagwi-withdraw tayo, for as long as merong amount, merong value na natitira, continue pa rin po yung yearly increment niya, continue pa rin yung pag-grow ng money natin for as long as, hindi siya bababa ng 3% per annum. Okay? So option number 3, this is the partial withdrawal of up to 50%. Another option is the full withdrawal of the total health benefits. So meaning, pag full withdrawal, withdraw mo na lahat ng total health benefits mo, That means the policy is considered fully availed of. Okay? In-avail na natin lahat. However, there should be no option chosen within 30 days from the receipt of this letter. Option 1 above will automatically apply. Okay? So notes, for withdrawal due to non-medical reason, the term life insurance coverage will automatically be discontinued. Also, Kaiser reserves the right to discontinue the health benefits and return all available unused health funds to the member at any time without notice. Okay? So, ang galing, di ba? This is really the long-term healthcare. Okay? So, na-solve niya yung investment na part, yung insurance na part, at saka yung healthcare. And most importantly, yung healthcare. Saan ka pa makakita ng insurance na covered ka until 80 years old? And then a lifetime investment, lifetime healthcare for as long as we have funds. Diba? This is lifetime investment. Okay, this is just an example of the schedule of benefits. If meron na tayong policy sa Kaiser, makikita rin po ito online, sa online policy natin. Alright, so kanina sinabi ko, so i-explain ko also the importance of Kaiser Long Term Healthcare in building our solid financial foundation. You know what? Ito talaga yung pinaka-solution ni IMG in building our solid financial foundation. Okay? So with these six steps, Kaiser already solved the 3 steps. Investment, life insurance, and healthcare. Again, Kaiser is a 3-in-1 investment. I will also make another video about building a solid financial foundation. So, later na yan po. Now, let's also talk about the pre-existing medical condition to make things clear. Kasi we should all know that during the paying period, hindi po covered yung mga pre-existing illness. Okay? So what are those? Those illnesses or injuries considered to be in existence prior to the effective date of the contract. Any professional advice or treatment was given for such illness or condition. Such illness or condition was in any way evident to the member before the effective date of the contract. And the pathogenesis of such illness or condition started whether or not the member is aware of it. Here are some lists. The following illnesses will be covered only during the extended period, okay? On the 8th year onwards. But during the 7th year, while paying, okay, hindi po siya covered. So, try to look at the screen. So, tingnan nyo lang po. Okay? Or just i-back nyo lang mamaya. Also, here are the list of the dreaded disease. Okay? Alright, yan. And PhilHealth. Your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser, okay? Once admitted, you will be advised to file your health reimbursement form. The PhilHealth reimbursement due shall be deducted from the total hospital bills. Kaiser members without PhilHealth membership shall shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of PhilHealth. Grace period. Ang daming nagtatanong, Kring, paano pag hindi ako nakabayad ka agad? Due date na ngayon, then hindi ko pa mabayaran, next week ko pa mabayaran, anong mangyayari? Eto, if payment is made after the grace period, the contract shall be considered lapse. Okay? However, the owner shall be given a grace period of 30 days or 1 month to pay the due installment benefits may be provided to the member only after the due installment is paid. Say for example, yung due date mo is, say for example, January 20, yung due date mo. Then you still have until February 20 para hindi pa malapse yung policy mo. And that is the grace period. From January 20 to February 20, yan yung grace period. Okay? After February 20, lapse na yung policy natin. So, anong mangyayari if lapse na yung policy natin? So, mag-email lang po tayo or tawagan lang natin yung Kaiser support and magtanong lang if pwedeng mag-redate or mag-reinstate. Okay? Meron tayong two process, redate and reinstate. Okay? Ito yon, reinstatement. Update. So, member will pay the premiums due on all the missed amounts plus surcharge of 1.5% per month or 18% per annum from the date of which unpaid installment, or meron ding tinatawag redate. Member will only pay the premium for the month but the maturity period will be moved. Mamumove lang po yung maturity period. Pero yung babayaran is the same. So, anong mga requirements? Reinstatement application form and reinstatement fee of 300. This can be done within 2 years of the first and paid due date. Okay? So, ang galing, di ba? We are still given 2 years bago talaga ma-terminate yung policy natin. Okay? Ang taas ng chance, no? 2 years pa. So, the member shall be considered a new applicant subject to pre-existing conditions and for purposes of contestability of insurance coverage and to any other requirements for a new applicant for membership in effect of that time. Kaiser will cancel the contract without need of notice to the owner if he fails to reinstate to pay, and all reinstated plans shall be rejected to the new shall be subjected to the new price. Sorry for that. So healthcare value, the owner may surrender the contract for its cash value stated in the schedule of benefits provided the plan is active for at least a year. So remember, no, ang dami rin kasing nagtatanong na, Kring, gusto ko nang i-withdraw yung plan ko. I-withdraw mo lang yan, basta active yung policy mo for at least a year. Pero kung lapse yung policy mo, tapos gusto mong i-withdraw, hindi talaga yan pwede. Dapat active yung policy mo, okay? And then yung value is, depende kung magkano yung cash value stated in the schedule of benefits. Okay? Again, saan makikita yung schedule of benefits? Nasa policy portal, nasa Kaiser portal natin yan. Now, the transferability of Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Ito rin yung pinakamaganda sa Kaiser. It can be transferred, napapamanas siya. Is it transferable or can it be assigned? Transferable, yes, it is. The benefits under the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder plan may be transferred or assigned by the member provided that during his or her lifetime, the member appoints in writing the principal beneficiary who shall receive all remaining outstanding benefits under the said plan in the event of his or her death. So remember, during application po, sa application form, meron pong nakasulat doon yung kung sino yung mga beneficiary natin. Okay? So kung sino yung nakastate na beneficiary natin, if something happens, namatay si policyholder, so the plan can be transferred or assigned to the beneficiary, the principal beneficiary. However, the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder plan itself cannot be sold. Hindi pwede itong ibenta, assigned, or transferred to any third party. Okay? Nor payment of membership fee be assumed by said third party. Okay? What are the benefits that can be received by the principal beneficiary? Number 1, yearly healthcare benefit value, long-term care benefit value. Number 3, long-term healthcare experience incentive. Number 4, additional healthcare hospital benefit limit provided that investment earnings of the company is higher than 6% per annum. So the above benefits can be utilized by the principal beneficiary for his or her own health or medical benefits. Ang ganda, no? Kukuha ka ng policy, pwede mo siyang maipamana sa mga anak mo or sa mga pamangkin mo or sa mga kapatid mo or sa mga loved ones mo. Di ba? Upgrading of plan and mode of payment. Plan can be upgraded within 30 days after its effective date. Okay? Pwede siyang ma-upgrade. Okay? Filled out amendment, just submit filled out amendment form, payment of processing fee, which is 300 pesos, and payment of additional installment corresponding to the updated plan. This is within 30 days after its effectivity date. Mode of payment can be upgraded anytime after completion of its respective cycle. If within 30 days after purchase, just submit filled out amendment form, payment of additional installment due corresponding to the amount of the updated mode of payment. But if beyond 30 days after purchase, just submit filled out amendment form, payment of processing fee, which is 300, and computation of dues based on the desired mode of payment. However, downgrading of plan and mode of payment is not allowed. Take note of that. Eligibility. So for 10 to 40 years old, minimum policy is K45. For 41 to 50 years old, minimum policy is K60. And for 51 to 60 years old, minimum policy is K75. So kahit 10 years old pa lang, pwede na po silang kunan ng Kaiser Healthcare. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. If you have questions for inquiries, okay, or if you want assistance, if you want to get proposal, just email or message dailyfinanceproject@gmail.com and Daily Finance Project sa Facebook naman po. So this is Crane Mendoza. Thank you so much and hope you will subscribe in my channel. Thank you and goodbye.